In this video, I will show you how to blur image in Canva. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on canva.com. Now I've currently loaded an image into my design here. To go ahead and actually add a blur to this image, all you need to do is click onto the image to select it. Then what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and it's either going to say edit photo or edit image. So you want to go ahead and give that a click. Now if you have the new style photo editor, it's going to look like this, but the blur option is not available. What you actually need to do is switch back to the old style editor. So to do that, just scroll down to the bottom, and what you can do is click the link down here where it says prefer the old photo editor. So you want to click onto that, and then on the pop-up window that comes up, just click on to take me to the old editor. So from here, what you're going to want to do now is click again onto the image and then come up to the top and click onto edit image. From here, what you're going to want to do is just come down to the adjust section just here, and you want to go ahead and click onto see all next to adjust. So as you can see, you can change things in here like the brightness and contrast, but it's actually a bar as well for blur. So all you need to do is hold down the left mouse button and you can drag this bar across, and as you can see, we can go ahead and blur the image. So you can choose how strong you want the blur to be. Of course, the further along you move the bar, the stronger the blur is going to be. And if you actually move this in the opposite direction, it's actually going to sharpen the image. So that's how to go ahead and blur image in Canva. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.